farms raising broiler chickens to strict standards.
A proprietary diet of robotic evisceration.
Golden, crisp. The journey of the world's most famous bucket begins here, on dedicated contract farms raising broiler chickens to strict standards. Inside, climate-controlled environments mimic natural spring weather, ensuring stress-free growth for the flock.
A proprietary diet of corn and soy bulks up the birds, creating the juicy, tender meat required for pressure frying. Veterinary technicians monitor the flock daily, ensuring that no bird enters the supply chain unless it is perfectly healthy.
At maturity, the flock is carefully loaded into ventilated modules for the short journey to the processing plant.
To preserve freshness, the transport window is strictly limited, rushing the raw poultry to the preparation facility.
Upon arrival, the transport modules are immediately cooled with misting fans to keep the poultry calm and fresh. Automated receiving lines transfer the crates directly into the intake zone, minimizing handling time. Under calming blue lights, the birds enter the processing line, where humane stunning ensures instant insensibility.
Scalding and automated plucking remove every feather in seconds, leaving the skin perfectly intact for the breeding to come. Robotic evisceration systems clean the interior cavity, preparing the meat for the strict chilling requirements. To lock in freshness and prevent bacteria, the meat is flash chilled to below 4 degrees Celsius in under an hour.
From the farm, the chilled poultry arrives at the dedicated cutting facility, a fortress of hygiene and precision.
Before touching the product, every technician must pass through a biosecurity airlock, the first line of defense against contamination.
Automated boot scrubbers and positive air pressure ensure that the outside world never meets the production floor. Inside the cold room, the temperature is locked at 2 degrees Celsius to maintain the meat's firm texture for cutting. The chilled birds are fed onto the main line, ready to be transformed into the signature cuts found in the bucket. Computer vision systems scan every bird, ensuring only those within the strict size parameters are selected for the KFC cut.
Automated saws perform the legendary 9-piece cut, dividing the bird into specific portions designed for even cooking. Skilled butchers manually trim the breast meat, removing the keel bone to ensure a premium eating experience.
And optical sorters separate the dark meat from the white meat, routing them to specific packaging lines. Before breading, the meat enters a vacuum tumbler, a giant rotating drum that acts like a mechanical massage. A simple saline marinade is injected to tenderize the muscle fibers and lock in natural juices. Under vacuum pressure, the tumbling process forces the moisture deep into the meat, guaranteeing the chicken stays juicy. The legendary blend of 11 herbs and spices arrives pre-mixed, ensuring the flavor profile remains a closely guarded secret. Cooks are trained in the 7-to-10-7 method, folding 10 times and pressing firm to ensure the coating adheres to every crevice. The wrist tap is crucial. It removes excess flour to prevent a thick, doughy crust, leaving only the perfect amount of crunch. Every piece is racked skin side up and inspected, ready for the intense heat of the pressure cooker.
The secret to the Colonel's original recipe isn't just the spices, it's the method. Industrial pressure frying.
The rack is submerged, and the oil reacts instantly, beginning the rapid heat transfer. Crucially, the lid is locked down immediately, trapping the steam escaping from the chicken inside the vessel.
Pressure allows the oil to reach higher temperatures without burning, cooking the meat faster while forcing the juices back into the fibers.
In just under 15 minutes, the process is complete. The pressure must be vented before the vessel can be safely opened.
The result is the signature look, a soft, golden crust that is not greasy, but perfectly crisp.
While bone-in chicken is hand-prepared, the nuggets and tenders rely on high-speed automated consistency.
Hydraulic formers stamp out the meat into the signature shapes at a rate of 2,000 pieces per minute.
A continuous curtain of tempura batter ensures that the crispy coating adheres to the meat during the frying process.
The continuous fryer maintains a precise thermal profile, cooking the smaller pieces evenly as they travel the length of the tank. Laser-guided cameras inspect the color and shape in mid-air, instantly rejecting any piece that isn't picture-perfect. To preserve the crunch for transport, a cryogenic spiral freezer locks the texture in place within minutes. After frying, the chicken must rest. This brief pause allows the excess oil to drain and the crust to firm up. To prevent the meat from drying out, it is stored in controlled vapor cabinets that maintain the precise humidity of fresh-cooked poultry.
Strict first-in, first-out timers are set. If the product isn't sold within 90 minutes, it is discarded to guarantee quality.
On the assembly line, calibrated dispensers deliver the exact milligram of sauce required for the signature flavor balance. Speed is essential. The assembly process mimics a factory line, building consistent sandwiches in under 20 seconds.
The finished products wait in the hot pass, kept at serving temperature by infrared lamps until the moment of purchase.
On the assembly line, calibrated dispensers deliver the exact milligram of sauce required for the signature flavor balance. Speed is essential. The assembly process mimics a factory line, building consistent sandwiches in under 20 seconds.
The finished products wait in the hot pass, kept at serving temperature by infrared lamps until the moment of purchase.
Golden, crispy, and pressure cooked to the bone, the result of a complex global supply chain.
And this is how modern factories produce KFC's fried chicken from start to finish.
From the farm to the fryer, this is the engineering behind the world's favorite poultry.